How to change your name on Facebook Lite. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up Facebook Lite. And once you do that, click on the three lines at the top right corner of your screen. Then scroll down to the settings and privacy section. And from there click on settings, and here from the account section click on personal information, then click on edit next to the name option, and here you will be able to change your first name, add or change your middle name, and then change your last name. And once you are okay with the changes, click on review change, and here it will give you a preview, so you can select whether you want your name to appear first name last name or last name first name. Choose whatever option suits you the best, and keep in mind that you won't be able to change your name within the next 60 days. Once you are okay with that, enter your password in this field right here, and then click on save changes to change your name. It's that easy and simple. So that was it for this video. That's how you can edit your name on Facebook Lite. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.